Imagine you're working at Flipkart during the big billion day sale and the dashboard suddenly flashes a prediction. There's an 87% chance that this customer will buy the product if you offer free delivery. You follow the instructions and voila, the sale goes through. And you realize this wasn't a stroke of luck. This was AI helping you sell smarter. Welcome to the world of AI sales and marketing specialist, the professional who bridges human creativity with machine intelligence to grow a business. And you're watching episode 3 of the AI Career Deep Dives by Solver, where everything is about technology. Today's episode, the complete roadmap on becoming an AI sales and marketing specialist in India from class 11 to career. An AI sales and marketing specialist isn't just someone who runs ads or posts on Instagram. They use data-driven insights powered by AI to understand their customers deeply, predict what they will buy next, run perfectly timed campaigns, and close deals faster. Think of them as the new age decision makers in the marketing world. People who know why customers click, buy, or scroll away. If you are in school, your foundation starts with commerce stream. Every subject here quietly trains you for this role. Business studies teaches how companies actually work and what marketing really is, and how brands like Flipkart, Nykaa segment their customers. Economics explains why people prefer one product over another. The same logic AI uses to predict demand. Accountancy builds your ability to read balance sheet and calculate return on investment. The same parameters you'll be using to measure artificial intelligence driven campaigns. English refines our communication. The same we will be using for ad copy, email, and campaign storytelling. Mathematics, optional, helps you grasp percentages and probabilities. The language of AI dashboards. This is where the concept meets curiosity. Now, theory alone here isn't enough. The desire is for practical instincts. Start with an ad or a trend journal. Every time you see a creative ad or campaign, note why it worked. Within months, you'll build an eye for what captures attention. Next, try a mini online shop or an Instagram thrift page. Design the logo, price the product, talk to customers in DM, and track engagement. But do this only at the cost of not hampering your studies and mental health. That's your first real-world experience in marketing and analytics even before college. After class 12, you have 3 degree options. Each leads to AI sales and marketing path in a slightly different way. The Bachelor's of Business Administration is your most direct entry into AI-driven marketing. You'll study principles of management, how to plan, execute, and lead campaigns, marketing, how to position products, craft strategy, and retain customers, digital marketing, search engine optimization, content and ads across platforms like Google and Meta, analytics, spotting patterns, and making data bank decisions, CRM or customer relationship management, tools like Zoho and Salesforce, NMIMS Mumbai with their DBA in branding and advertising through NPAT, exposure to live projects, seminars, and AI marketing tools. Symbiosis Skills and Professional University, Pune with their DBA in digital media and marketing through standard operating procedure plus interview, focuses on storytelling, analytics, and AI-based campaign design. Symbiosis Center for Management Studies, Noida with their BBA in marketing management through Symbiosis entrance tests and interview, covers consumer behavior, brand psychology, and live projects. If you're creative yet data-driven, this path fits like a glove. Ecom Honors gives you the business depth that powers smart marketing, teaches how consumer behavior, pricing, and economics drive buying decisions. The same insights AI tools use. Add certifications, which we will discuss in a while, and voila, your profile is marketing ready. Shri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi University. builds strategic and analytical thinking. Shahid Bhagat Singh College, Delhi University, active marketing and analytics society for real-world exposure. Admission to these colleges take place through Common University Entrance Test or CUET. BCom Honors is perfect for students who want to blend financial logic with marketing creativity. Bachelor's in Management Studies or BMS trains you to plan campaigns, analyze data, and lead brand growth. You'll study marketing strategy, business analytics, digital marketing, learning how AI tools guide every decision. St. Xavier's, Mumbai, hands-on project in marketing and analytics. Admission is through Xavier's entrance test. Delhi University, DLS, builds a strong base in brand strategy and leadership. Admission is through Common University entrance test with a requirement of mathematics in class 12. Jai Hind College, Mumbai, focuses on digital marketing and market research. Merit plus interview based. Perfect for students who want to design and lead AI-driven marketing campaigns with both creativity and logic. So, in short, BDA is the direct marketing route. BCom Honors gives you the analytical base and BMS gives you the strategic leadership path. While college gives you structure but self-learning sharpens your edge. Consider these books. Contagious by Jonah Berger. What Makes Ideas Go Viral. Influence by Robert Cialdini. Psychology of Persuasion and Marketing with AI for Dummies by Shirsig. How AI Reshapes Marketing. Watch these documentaries. The Great Hack, Data, Psychology, and Political Campaigns. Abstract, The Art of Design. How Design Reshapes Storytelling. Both of these documentaries are available on Netflix. At these YouTube channels, Solver sharpens non-technical AI mindset. Neil Patel builds marketing instincts. HubSpot sharpens tool skills. And David Perret strengthens communication craft. These certifications will boost your profile. In year 1, undertake HubSpot's AI for marketers. In year 2, boost it with Great Learnings AI in digital marketing. Finally, in year 3, couple it with Udemy's Mastering SEO with ChatGPT and Simply Learn's Google Analytics 4 free certification to learn real-time tracking. This sequence builds a complete practical foundation from AI concepts to campaign analysis. You graduate, get hands-on exposure through internships as social media intern, design Canva posts and schedule content via Buffer. Sales intern, update data in CRM tools like Zoho and Salesforce. AI marketing intern, use tools like Jasper and Google Analytics to analyze campaigns. Target brands like Nykaa, Lenskart, Razorpay, Mamaearth, and Crate. An MBA in marketing on marketing plus AI unlocks many leadership roles. Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Pune, with MBA in marketing through Symbiosis National Aptitude Test or SNAP, merges consumer behavior, digital marketing, and analytics. Chitkara University, MBA in marketing with minor in AI through CAT, MAT, or internal test. Graduates go on to lead brand growth at AI strategy teams. Top tools are Zoho CRM, manage leads and automate email campaigns. Google Analytics 4 tracks user behavior and predicts sales trends. Google Trends finds what's hot in real time. Canva, your go-to designing app for everything. ChatGPT brainstorms ideas, copy, scripts, and strategy. Master these 5 and you'll cover 80% of these jobs' real tools. From your first job to global leadership, this speed rewards skill and consistency. Fresh graduates earn between 5 to 8 LPA and AI or digital marketing certifications or a blend of both, and your salary moves up to 7 to 10 LPA. MBA from a tier 1 institute fetches 12 to 18 LPA. 3 to 5 years experience in SaaS or growth roles fetches 18 to 28 LPA. Global and leadership positions scale up to 30 to 45 LP. Each layer you add, whether of certifications, experience, or strategy, compounds your value. And where do these specialists work? In every corner of the modern business. Like in technology, it's Google, Microsoft, and IBM. E-commerce, Flipkart, Amazon, and Meesho. Software as a service or SaaS, Zoho, Freshworks, and Razorpay. FMCG, HUL, IDC, and Pepsi. These companies breed data and rely heavily on AI-driven marketing, exactly where future specialists like you thrive. The future of marketing isn't just about selling, it's about understanding. And the ones who understand people with the help of AI becomes unstoppable. Share this with a friend who might desire it too, and subscribe to Solver, where everything is about technology.